On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, we are going to draw a pirate style spyglass telescope, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We're going to plan in pencil, draw it in ink, erase the pencil, then do all the fiddly bits and shading that make the drawing look great. This drawing is full of ellipses, and if you were looking into a telescope, and this is a British 2p piece, you would see a circle. But if you are looking at it from an angle, suddenly that circle is not a circle anymore. It becomes an ellipse. And one thing that's good to remember is a circle will always fit exactly inside a square. So if you twist that circle, then the ellipse will always fit perfectly inside a rectangle. If you remember your geometry, the points at which it touches the rectangle are tangents, or 90 degrees. Okay, so I am going to use some guidelines, and I'm going to draw a line across like that, and I'm going to use this to help with the parallelness. And so I'm going to draw a couple of lines like that. So this is going to be the end here. And if you think of that again as a rectangle, then the ellipse is going to fit exactly inside it. And then we're going to want a kind of a length. So it's about like that. And again, we kind of want to have an ellipse roughly there, but we're only going to see the bottom half of it. And then we're going to do something similar, but we want these two lines coming in just slightly thinner. And at the end, we're going to want the bottom half of an ellipse. And then again, we want it to be slightly thinner because it's all got to squeeze up inside itself. And then we're going to do there again. And then we want the last one going even thinner, something like that. And then we want that to have a ellipse at the end. Now on each one of these, you're going to have a little sort of outside ellipse, and here too, and then also we're going to have these two little curves, and then a kind of a bigger curve like that. So that's the eyepiece. And then here we're going to have another ellipse like that. So this will be a sort of a brass ending, and this is just going to be just slightly bigger, knurled around there, and that's going to come around, and then we want that just another one that's just slightly on the inside. Join me on Patreon for images, help sheets, and a whole lot more. So let's ink this in and see what we get. I'm going to draw this whole ellipse, which is just slightly wider than the line, and then I'm going to draw just inside it like that, and here I'm just going to put a couple of dots so it just kind of fades away. And then we want, this is the actual glass on the inside, and we can put a kind of little bit of light shining in it. Now draw two lines coming straight across like that so that they're going to meet opposite and parallel, and then we can draw a curve to join them up, and then we can draw a little curve on the outside, and then we're going to do the same here. I might have made that a bit too long, but never mind. And they're going to have the same thing going on around there. Two lines, join them together with a curve, a little line around it, two lines, join them together with a little curve, and another little curve like that, and another bit there for the eyepiece. And then I'm just going to do another bit there, which is kind of like a brass ending. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, erase those pencil lines. And I hope you didn't press too hard. If you did, remember not to do that next time, because it makes it hard to erase. Let's do some fiddly bits and shading. So this is going to be a kind of a wood effect here. So it's kind of like a wobble like that. And then I think I'm going to do a wobble like that. And then we can sort of go around like that. So we get a kind of wood effect on the outside. And then here we want to do some nice, take your time, nice little curves. These curves need to kind of echo the curve of the ellipse. And this is going to give us some shading like that. And here we can add a bit of shading going around like that. And I think we can do some, the lines on the top aren't quite as long, but you still want to get that angle in there. And then we're also going to get a bit of shading from the bit where it's sort of going in. So I'm going to do those that way, and we're kind of cross hatching, and they want to kind of get shorter at each end. Here, this is the glass, which is going to be very, very dark. So we can draw this kind of hatching like that, and we can cross hatch it to make it look even darker. And then we can put some shading underneath it like this to kind of put it on the table. Then all you need to do is to add that brassy kind of colour and some wood kind of colour and a bit of highlight and a bit of shadow. Ah, me hearties, and there you go, how to draw a pirate style spyglass telescope. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.